When placing curtain walls, you can take advantage of a special placement mode called embedding, which has some advantages. Now, curtain walls can be placed like basic wall types, often running between the full height between the levels of your model, but they can also be embedded in other walls. When a full height curtain wall is resized, the adjacent walls must be resized and filled in. But the advantage of an embedded curtain wall is that when it's resized, the adjacent walls are automatically filled in for you. In the image on the right, we're looking at a full height curtain wall, which runs all the way from one floor level to the level above. And just to the right of that, we're looking at an embedded curtain wall, which is embedded within the basic wall. Let's look at some of the key differences between those two different placement methods. When you change the offset for a full height wall, you can start by selecting an existing curtain wall segment, then change the top or bottom offsets in the Properties palette. The resized curtain wall changes size, but the curtain wall will have gaps at the top and the bottom because the remaining wall surrounding the curtain wall doesn't fill in automatically. On the other hand, if you embed a curtain wall in a basic wall, you get a different behavior. Under the Architecture tab in the Build section, open the Wall Architectural tool. Choose one of the curtain wall types that you'd like to use, then enter the desired base and top offsets for the embedded curtain wall that you'd like to place. Then you can sketch this new curtain wall right on top of one of the existing basic walls. Now that wall should embed itself in the basic wall, but if it doesn't automatically embed itself, use the Join tool to embed your new curtain wall into the existing basic wall. Later, if you change the offsets for the embedded wall by selecting the embedded curtain wall and changing the top or bottom offsets in the Properties palette, you'll see that the resized curtain wall has no gaps at the top or bottom. The basic wall, which has the curtain wall embedded within it, automatically adjusts to resize itself and fill in any of the gaps, hugging up to the new size of the curtain wall opening.